Here actually we are helping people to build their own preschool under their own brand name, where we are not charging any kind of royalty fees or franchisee fees. It's one-time investment with lifetime academic support, where whatever help you require to set your preschool and run it successfully, we will help with that. Now in this entire project, the customers or standalone schools role and responsibility is they should ready with their premises, which should be well painted. Then we will come into picture where whatever help they require to set their preschool and run it successfully means we start from their logo designing, pamphlet, brochure, leaflet, money receipt. That means whatever administrative tools are there, how to talk with parents, how to market your school, how to get admission, what should be the fee structure. So all those help we will do under a setting up a preschool. Now when they want to run that preschool, whatever help they require like structure, curriculum, all map materials, that means educational aids, some amount of furniture like table, chair, chowki, mat, shelves, all those stuffs. Apart from that, assessment software, whatever technology they are looking for, CCTV camera, laptop, router, their teacher trainings, their certification courses, basic course, advanced course. In short, this is end-to-end solution for preschool where we are not charging any kind of royalty fees, franchisee fees. This project we started hardly before 30 months back, where we are having more than 350 preschools all over India. Now, within next 2 minutes, let me introduce about ourselves, who we are and how we are working. This Bangalore-based company, main company name is Kiddo Enterprises, which is the 25-year-old organization, where our core business is manufacturing all kind of pure Montessori material, preschool material, outdoor play station and designing curriculum. Pan-India, more than 25,000 school we are providing support across world, more than 30 countries we are exporting. So this is our core business, and as I told you earlier, just 30 months back we started this project where we have reached around 300 preschools, more than 300 preschools.